How ancient humans survived the Ice Age. Imagine it's the coldest winter night, your home's heater suddenly stops working, your phone battery dies, the power goes out. Outside, it's minus 30 degrees Celsius. If you live in Canada or Northern America, you know that's dangerous. Now imagine living like that every single day. No heater, no winter jacket, no supermarket, no hot coffee, just snow and survival. Yet somehow, ancient humans didn't just survive. They made these frozen lands their home. So, how did they do it? Today, when winter arrives, we zip up a jacket, turn on the heater, or sit inside a warm car, problem solved. But 40,000 years ago, none of those things existed. Humans aren't built like polar bears. We don't have thick fur. Our bodies lose heat incredibly fast. Fire helped. But imagine carrying a campfire while hunting across miles of frozen land. Impossible. So humans invented something even more important. Sewn clothing using tiny bone needles carved from animal bones and thread made from animal sinew. They stitched fitted clothes that trapped warm air close to their bodies. That small invention changed everything. For the first time, humans could survive places that once seemed impossible, but staying warm was only half the battle. They also needed a home. Today, homes in Canada use thick insulation to keep the cold outside. Thousands of years ago, ancient humans discovered the same idea. When caves weren't available, they built shelters from mammoth bones, covered them with animal hides, and packed snow around the walls. It sounds strange, but snow is actually a powerful insulator. It traps warm air, keeping the freezing wind outside. Then came an even bigger challenge: food. Today, if your refrigerator's empty, you drive to Walmart or the nearest grocery store. Ice Age humans had no backup plan. If hunting failed, they went hungry. So they dried meat, stored it in frozen ground, and valued animal fat like liquid gold. Without enough fat, surviving winter became nearly impossible. Then there was one final challenge: darkness. Today, when the sun goes down, we switch on lights, watch Netflix, or scroll through our phones. Ancient humans had none of that. Instead, they repaired tools, made warm clothing, taught children survival skills, and shared stories around the fire. Those long winter nights became humanity's very first classroom. Knowledge was passed down, skills were perfected, and communities grew stronger. So the next time you zip up your winter jacket, or feel grateful for central heating, remember, those everyday comforts exist because thousands of years ago, someone refused to give up. The Ice Age didn't just test humanity, it forced us to become smarter, more creative, and more resilient. In many ways, winter didn't just shape our ancestors, it shaped all of us.